Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. With the ever-growing importance of technology in our world, learning to program is becoming more and more essential. Learning to program has definite cognitive skills, such as creative problem solving, critical thinking, and develop teamwork skills. Research dating back to 1991 has demonstrated and confirmed that coders and programmers develop higher cognitive skills on average. And these coding or other intellectually stimulating activities has dramatically reduced the chance of degenerative disease such as Alzheimer. Today, soft and hard skills are equally important, but those who knows how to solve problems and work in a team and pay attention and also experience mistakes as learning experiences will have way more possibility to become the leaders of tomorrow. To know more about the courses we offer, read the captions below for contact details. Thank you.